Hello, I'm Martine, the artist behind Martine's Fine Arts. I want to show you how I created a black and white dog portrait with colored pencils, pan pastel, the brush and pencil supplies on black UART. Last week I ordered the paper and I hoped it was a deep black, but it's more a kind of anthracene, a deep cool grey. So I darkened the paper first with black pan pastel, using a large soft sponge. I will put a link of all the materials I've used in the video description. And when I finish this first layer, I spray the work a couple of times with brush and pencils textured fixative. Not too difficult, isn't it? And it's really fast. Sometimes I tint the paper with an airbrush or Neocolor too, but there's almost no difference, so choose whatever suits you. When the fixative is dry, I transfer my line drawing to the paper using white Saral transfer paper. The fixative always gives spots or droplets, but that's no problem. When I color over them, they will disappear. And for the background, I will take the large sponge again. Now I'm ready for the fun part. Like always, I start with the eyes. Drawing on black in greys and whites is really cool. And on this surface, in combination with the brush and pencil supplies, even more fun, because the colors can be applied so easily. On hot pressed watercolor paper, it's very hard to apply lights over darks because of the lack of tooth of the paper. But this is fun. First of all, I start creating values and textures. It's not possible to get it really white in the first layer, but I'll show you the solution for that later on. I've used the polychromos colored pencils mainly, all the greys and the whites. But for the whites I use several brands. The Pablo white is more opaque than the polychromos white and can be used to create solid white lines. Pablos hold their points really well on sanded paper, but are somewhat more difficult to blend. The other white I've used is the white charcoal from Kohinoor. It's a charcoal pencil. It's really white, but way more soft than the other two pencils. Step by step I finished the initial drawing and then I'm going to lighten up the fur on the nose. I used a soft tool and titanium white powder from the brush and pencil painting kit. Then I use the same tool to soften some lines. When this layer is completed, I spray again with textured fixative, let it dry and start hyping up the values and adding all kinds of details. And gradually I'm getting out of the ugly stage. Almost every drawing has it, the ugly stage. The moment, period, hours or even days that you're doubting about your drawing. Shall I throw it away or am I going to pursue? So, never get discouraged at this point. It's a normal phase and just keep on going. Okay, that's it. If you have questions, post them below or contact me. And of course, it's nice if you subscribe. And well, maybe you can show me your pet portrait drawings or paintings in my Facebook group. And, as always, color the world and have a nice day.